Hi, my name is Zach Brand, and today I'm going to be talking about emotions and the way they affect our communication. So, obviously, emotions play a big factor in how we communicate and how we perceive and interpret communication. Without emotions or feelings, communication would probably be pretty robotic. So, you have emotions and feelings. Emotions are physiological, feelings are psychological. So, if you think of emotions being physiological, as in releasing chemicals, neurotransmitters from the brain. They create these sensations within ourselves. And then it's how we perceive, how we think about these sensations that we create feelings. So if you think of emotions as coming first and then feelings coming after that, kind of as a product. We have about six main emotions that we feel, which are happiness, sadness, anger, disgust, joy, and fear. So if you think about fear, for example, if we are in a situation where we perceive something as a threat, our brain might start to release neurotransmitters like adrenaline and cortisol, things that happen when we kind of initiate that fight or flight response. And these things can increase your heart rate, make you feel worried, anxious, stressed. And then if you think of if something, good happens to you, something positive, your brain may release some things like oxytocin, dopamine, serotonin. These are all those feel-good chemicals. It's going to make you, feel better, kind of make the world a more colorful place, if you will. And then we also have facilitative emotions and then debilitative emotions. So if you think of facilitative emotions, these are emotions that are conducive to our success, to our performance. If you think about if you're having a good day, everything is going well from the moment you woke up, you'll probably have a more productive day at work. You'll be more more organized, have a little bit more motivation, more drive. And then if you think of something that's debilitative, so if you're stressed, if you're preoccupied, if you're worried, anxious about something, if you're having kind of these negative feelings, it can maybe hinder your performance. You may be, more disorganized, scatterbrained, maybe not as productive. One way we can kind of understand our emotions is by asking ourselves two questions. How do I feel? And then how do I know? Something I think that everybody can relate to is kind of road rage, having that, conflict on the road. If somebody cuts you off, how do I feel? I feel enraged, I feel mad. How do I know, maybe I'm gripping the steering wheel tighter, I'm starting to tense up, maybe driving faster a little than I should be. And then also, for if you're feeling good, if say you win some kind of lottery or something, how do I feel? I feel happy, I feel joyous. How do I know? I'm smiling, I have a little more energy, I feel a little bit more uplifted. And then something else that I find interesting is this emotional energy matrix. So you have your high energy, low energy, negative, and positive. I'll start here with the high positive energy. So I kind of think of this same example. If you're on vacation with a bunch of friends, you're doing something every day, you're all getting along, your energy's always up here, it's all positive, but you can't stay there forever. So after you're not able to do that anymore, you'll probably go into recovery. I kind of think of this as post-vacation. That's why I feel like a lot of times after people go on vacation, you do feel kind of spent, you do feel tired, but kind of in that good way. So maybe this recovery is just, being at home with your family, relaxing, the energy's low, but it's still good. You still have those good vibes. And then you go here to the high negative energy. I would think of this as maybe if you're visiting family and nobody gets along, it's constant fighting, everybody's either attacking or being attacked, your defenses are up, you're kind of in that fight or flight, so your energy is just up here and it's all bad. And you can only take that so long. After that, you'll go into this burnout here, which is, maybe you're still in that negative space, you still have that bad energy, but you just don't have all that energy to give, so it's low, it's negative. And then luckily there are some things that we can do to kind of help facilitate and help understand our emotions. One great thing I think is exercising. Just releasing all those feel-good chemicals is great for everybody in any situation, really. Another one is be kind to others. I do believe if you put good energy out there, put emotions out there, you will get them back. Another one is also just being open and accepting of things you can't control. A lot of situations are unavoidable that will make us sad, make us, happy, angry, mad. And just knowing that you can't, control these outside things, but just being aware of your emotions, how you're perceiving them sometimes can be helpful. And then last, but certainly not least, not giving into your negative thoughts. If you have negative thought patterns, it can be a powerful thing to just be aware of it, be aware that, hey, right now I'm, putting myself in this negative space. And then sometimes by bringing awareness to it, you can let it go, you can move on and move forward. Thank you.